She's my private dancer, dancing for money. Any old thing will do. She's my private dancer, dancing for money. Any old good times will do. What are you doing? How are you, Mrs. Lila? How are you doing? You got your dance moves on in the Johnny Jump Up? Oh yeah. Check it out. Check it out. Do it again. Do it again. You having fun? Oh, little burp? Little burple? Do a little burple? You look like you're doing good in there, huh? Let's see. Get your coolio dance moves on. You got your dancing socks on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Get your dancing face on. Oh yeah. Do it. Do your dance. Ooh, yeah. You're spinning, girl. Yeah, you're spinning all by yourself. Check you out. You got the Johnny Jump Up confidence that we're looking for around here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What are you doing? You got raspberries? Oh, look at you. And you're like over there. This is the pizza parlor, our Italian pizza parlor at home. I know. Dance floor back there. Oh yeah. Get your dance moves on. Oh yeah. Doing a little Irish jig. I love you. I love you, Beans. Oh, I love you so much. What are you doing? You're like just spinning. I love you. Hi. Hi, cutie. My little one-armed pirate. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at you. Gosh, you're really like tearing it up. Yeah, you're tearing it up, Chica. All right. I'm going to get to cooking. You going to hang out with me? Come here. Give me some love. Give me some, well. Ooh, what are you doing over there? Oh. You going to eat? Oh, you're going to eat that? Oh, that's good. That's real good. All right, kisses. Kisses. Yeah, checking out over there. You're checking out your swing over there? That was back in the old days. Now you've got the Johnny Jumperoo. Practice your dance moves. Swing. That's for little kids. You're like, I'm 4.5 months now. Oh, is that your little hand? I'm 4.5 months now, moms. And I'm out of the swing. Swing? Nah. You should just give that to Goodwill. Put it in the basement. Oh, yeah. All right. Woo, look at you. All done. Oh, great shot.